Welcome everyone. Welcome to our channel. This video is on how you can create a good impression about yourself simply by greeting others in the right way by using appropriate greeting expressions. What is meant by greeting expression? Greeting expression simply means a salutation used by you at your meeting with others. In other words, it is an expression of good wishes and regards for the people you meet. The act of greeting others is not new for you. But what is important to be aware of is the hidden aspects of greeting expressions that can take you a few steps ahead and can strengthen your confidence. Our common experience is when we meet someone, we are in the habit of greeting the person by expressing hi, good morning, namaste, and many more. Now, it's certainly our refined behavior. In fact, this greeting, as soon as spoken out, it opens up a door to good connections, good relations among people. And for every educated one like you, mastering the art of greeting with confidence in English can take you to new heights by creating a lasting impression about you. This video therefore tries to acquaint you with the world of greetings, focusing on various greeting expressions to refine your English skills and to boost your confidence for success. Now, let's discuss the greeting expressions one after the other. And to start with, here is hello. This is a common greeting expression. Hello is the simplest way to greet your friends, to greet your teachers, or to greet anybody else you like to. And this hello is quite an effective greeting because hello is like extending a warm welcome to someone. Whenever you meet your teachers and friends, hello always sets a positive tone. Therefore, while using it, don't miss out a smile. With hello, use always a smile. So how to use this expression hello? I give you here a situational example, and the situation is as you enter the classroom, you confidently greet your professor or teacher and start saying, hello sir, I am well prepared today to learn from you. Here, hello is used in a very nice way, impressive way. After hello, the second common greeting expression is hi. Hi is a very interesting greeting expression. It fits into any situation. It is in an informal tone. It is simple, it is effective, and it is always appropriate. You can use it with your friend or club members in casual conversations or while meeting someone new. When you use hi with somebody, a friendly relationship is immediately established. So how to use hi then? If hi is so useful a greeting expression, how to use it? Here is an example. On your first day to the college, you turn to the student by your side using this greeting expression. Hi, I am new here in the science stream. Are you the one like me? Still another common greeting expression which we say hey. Like hi, hey is also another friendly greeting expression. It's quite informal to be comfortably used with friends, with acquaintances, and also with new ones you come across. When you want to draw the instant attention of somebody, use hey. Like hi, this hey is also an excellent icebreaker. Do you know what this icebreaker is? Metaphorically, this icebreaker means it is a psychological conditioning that makes your interaction easy with others. So how to use this hey then? I give you here an example. In the library, when you find a familiar face, somebody known to you, greet him with a smile, start saying, hey, if you need any help, I'm here. And the next greeting expression is good morning. It is both a formal and informal greeting expression. It is usable for close ones and for those informal in office or in public places. Usually, it is used within AM time range. And wishing someone a good morning, it changes the person with positivity. It speaks of your personality and so add a genuine smile while you are using this greeting expression good morning. You should believe in the saying, be happy and make others happy. And if you want to do that, in reality, you have to use this expression, good morning. So how to use this good morning in reality? Start your day with the people you meet around by saying them, good morning, have a nice day. Good morning, have a nice time. Another line of greeting expression is good afternoon. When it is 12 p.m. from that starts the fold of good afternoon. Just like good morning, this good afternoon is also a polite way to greet your peers or seniors. Do you understand what is meant by peers? It means the people of your age or around it. Good afternoon acts like your handshake to show your politeness and respect for others. How do you use this good afternoon? When you come across someone after 12 p.m., convey this greeting expression. Good afternoon. I hope you are pulling on well. Here is good evening. Another greeting expression, transition of good afternoon. With the late afternoon coming in, the graceful time for good evening starts. And whether it is on campus or off campus, good evening creates its own charm about you. So don't be miser in the use of good evening. Rather, dignify yourself in using this good evening. So how to use good evening? Here is an example. If you are in a college or in a university function, confidently approach the guest and say, good evening ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our event. It is going to be memorable. Here is another greeting expression, and it is what's up. To enjoy your personal bonding with others, use what's up. It clears your entry to informal conversations with friends, and it helps in catching up on the latest news in your community. So using what's up, it keeps you informally engaged. So how to use this what's up smartly? Here is an instance, here is an example. While joining friends at your evening stop, you express like this, what's up guys? What about the weekend plans? A catchy expression on well-being is, how are you? It's an all-time classic expression. It shows your genuine way to show that you care. How are you is a timeless choice that never goes out of style. And when you are asking this, you are showing genuine interest in someone's well-being. It connects ideally with seniors and peers or even classmates you have not seen in a while. So here is a situation where you can use how are you. After a stimulating lecture, ask your professor, how are you sir? Your class is always inspiring for me. Additionally, another casual expression of well-being is, how are you doing? It is slightly more casual, but a versatile choice. It impresses well in a relaxed setting. This opens up a friendly conversation for a personal relationship. Here is a situation where you can use this expression. You sit down with your new study partner at the library and then you start saying, hey, how are you doing? Ready to carry on with the project? Still another. An interesting personalized greeting expression is, how do you do? How do you do? Puts in a charming touch. So it is used when somebody wants to put in some warmth and character into the interactions. Situationally, during an international student event, greet someone from another country by saying, how do you do? I'm fascinated by your culture. Still another nice greeting expression, hey there. This expression, hey there, is just like a friendly wave in the form of words. Use it with those familiar with you. In fact, this expression, it acknowledges another's presence. For easy comprehension, here is a situation. When you move into the class, you find your friend and start waving with this saying, hey there, I'm glad to see a familiar face in the crowd. And here is another most exciting greeting expression, namaste. Namaste is the most respectful expression, and namaste is someone's passport to cultural understanding. Use it when you want to show appreciation for others from diverse backgrounds. It is usually done with folded hands. So let's come to a situation to use this one, namaste. At an international event, you may greet a visiting student with a nod by saying namaste, how are you? This carries an Indian overtone. Remember, my dear, by using greeting expressions like hello, hi, good morning or whatever, you are creating a scope for cultivating friendship and cultivating new relationship. At the same time, you are creating a good impression about yourself. With this, you will not only boost your English language skill, but you are boosting your confidence and exploring new opportunities for you. So greet the people with confidence and create your own world. Thanks for watching.